In this lesson, we'll review and identifying the error problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 777, question 28 out of 29. This is a difficult problem. In the United States, the industrial use of plastics is greater than steel, aluminum, and copper combined. We have to identify the error, find the mistake. Always think about what the correct version should be. You obviously don't have to do that, but hopefully that will reinforce the error and your correct choice. So we have this preposition in the U.S. There's nothing wrong with that. We couldn't really change it to anything. The industrial use of plastics. So use of, that's the correct preposition. Looks fine. Is the correct verb. What's the subject? Always before the preposition. The preposition isn't, or the subject is not plastics. Here's the preposition. That's a prepositional phrase of plastics. The subject is the use. Because what is greater? Not the plastics. It's the use of plastics. And oops. So that does agree. That's correct. Greater. Now, greater is not underlined, but be on the lookout. This is an adjective ending with er. You could also say that more great with that is called a comparative. And this rule gets tested all the time. When you see a comparative, the two items must be parallel. So what are the two items being compared? Well, the use of plastics is greater than, now we have steel. You can't compare the use of plastics to steel. I know we have plastics here. That's part of a prepositional phrase, but this is not a consistent comparison. We have to compare parallel items, and so right away you should see is greater than the use of steel, aluminum, and copper combined. Again, if you just get in the habit of predicting these answers, it'll make it much easier. Anytime you see a comparative, look for the two elements to be parallel. All right, the answer here is D. See you next time. Thanks for watching.